In this section of our Meta Business Suite tutorial series, we're going to show you how to create and publish a post here in the Meta Business Suite, the homepage of the Meta Business Suite, and we want to look for the blue Create Post button. From there, we want to click on it, and this is going to take us into the Composer section of the Meta Business Suite. Make sure that firstly you are posting to the right places. If you have got a Facebook and an Instagram page, you can select both options. If you just have a Facebook page, that's totally fine as well. We want to scroll down to the next section, which is the media. To upload a photo to go with your post, or whether you want a video. And with both options, we have the ability to choose from uploading the content directly from our computer or from an existing file manager, photo or video. Next up, we have the text section. So let's add in some text right now. Add a photo and let's upload one from our existing file manager. Let's say that we want to choose the sales training picture. Once we've done that, we just want to click on add and it'll show one image. Yes, that's correct. And congratulations, this is what your post is now looking like. We can see that there's the Facebook feed preview as well as the desktop version preview as well. Move on to the next section, which is the ability to schedule a date and time in which the post gets published. So if you're like me and you're very busy and you have very limited time in which you can publish content and posts, having the scheduling option is great because it allows you to create multiple posts in one go, and you can choose the date and time by clicking on the calendar date and then just sliding your button and choosing the time in which you want to publish it. Now, the maximum time in which you can publish in advance is currently 30 days. So you can also choose the time in which you want to publish the post as well. Just hover your mouse over the section you want to edit and choose the publishing time that you prefer. You can finish the post later, which makes it save as a draft, or we can click on schedule. However, if we want the post to go up right now, we just unselect the blue button here for the scheduling options, and we can click on the publish button. We can now see that our post is indeed published. So congratulations, you have just published a post from the Meta Business Suite onto your Facebook page.